All right, an update here on the CNC. So I picked this one up and found that the workspace where the computer was getting covered in dust. So I built this little tiny enclosure just to start. It's not quite done. I got my wrenches mounted here, quick accessible. I got some dollar store lights, you know, get some illumination in there. Now, I do expect that this will eventually be covered, and when it is, then the lights will serve better. But you can see here that works really well. Key thing is, of course, follow the instructions. Get good instructions, get a good unit. This unit here, make sure that the couplers are strong. This has an emergency stop, so just in behind here, you can press this stop button. I wasn't thinking about the placement of the lights, so still kind of debugging. All the wires are all cleaned up in the back. Got a little hole there for power and USB. And basically my goal here is around the front is, make a little kit area for all the different bits, spare parts, the clamps, the brush, and then set up the offline controller to work so that I don't always have to use the computer. So I have it right now just kind of stuck there with some double-sided tape, and not necessarily the best position, but again, sometimes you got to trial and error and figure that out. But overall, it's got good clearance to move around right now. So again, testing that, and I can easily take the whole unit out. So it's not like it's permanently fixed in there. It does have the ability to move. Right now I've got some styrofoam underneath it, testing different vibration or absorption from the vibration to try and, make it less noisy. And I think I'm going to have to put some soundproofing in and around here to try and dampen it so that it's not so loud. Now you may notice that I have an engraving bit. I should be using one of these guys here. What do they call it? A milling kit or milling bit. It's late at night. I thought I would just try something. So anyways, so this is coming out of an application called Easel. Probably the easiest one I've found so far for, find something, set your dimensions of this, your product that you want to engrave or carve, lock it down, and then run through the wizard and you're off to the races. So yeah, if there's any questions, by all means, put some down in the comments below, and I'll definitely answer them. And of course, don't forget, subscribe, and I'll keep making content. Have a good night.